Hey, I'm going to show you in just over 3 minutes how to make this awesome porch swing in just 3 hours of your time or less. This heavy timbered set not only will look great in your yard, but it won't start rusting in a year like the metal sets will. The brackets you see are really easy to work with, big time savers, and in fact they'll even fit a beam made of 2 or 3 2x6s if you can't find a 4x6 beam. This video won't show cutting or staining the lumber. It requires just simple straight cuts you can get the hardware store to do for free for you. And I give those dimensions at roomtozoom.com. So, jumping in, grab a pair of brackets, put one flush to the end of the beam, mark the hole with your drill bit, pull it away, and go in halfway. Put this one on flush. And same thing. And then go through till you reach the other side. All you do is take your carriage bolt, drop it in, put it on. Grab the other side, then get a 1/2 inch washer and a 3/8 on top of it, and then your lock nut, and then just tighten it and finish them up with a hand wrench so I can tell just how tight I got it. And then we just put in the panhead screws. Note that the metal of these brackets is about twice as thick as other swing set brackets, so when you're driving in the panhead screws, the metal is not dimpling in like you'll see with other brackets. And they're good looking. And in case you're wondering, these panhead screws have been spray painted brown. And now we'll put on the swing hangers. I've gone with a stainless steel hanger that I really like. Not only is it stainless steel, but I just think it has a great look. You pre-drill before you put in the lag screws that they come with. And then just hang the bench swing of your choice. I link here to one that I like. Feel free to send me any comments or questions. And I appreciate your likes and subscribe for updates and future projects.